I'll just finish the whole thing in 2-3 statements. You are a hardware, this body. And thus there is a software, the programming, which operates this body. There is an electricity connection. Now, the software with which you were operating and the electricity, these two is completely screwed up. That is when the hardware also started getting destroyed. I am doing two things. One, again and again putting the powerful software. See, every powerful cognition I am giving you. When I say this static matter, dynamic activity, strategic existence is one and the same. And immediately, till you get into your old stupid screwed software, you will not have doubt. For a few minutes, because of my face value, I think this fellow must be telling only for my good. Some reason, it will be there as alive memory. Those few minutes when you decide to use that as your software, my superconsciousness, my electricity connects with you. Not the regular electricity with which you are working, bioenergy. No, Sadashiva's bioenergy, who gave me the experience and authority to transmit this experience, his bioenergy just enters into you. Once you start seeing that moving, you will feel, oh God, I think this fellow is right. Once 21 times you move, then this software cannot be taken out of your software. How many of you are understanding what I am saying? Understand? That's all is the whole game. It's all, see, the whole program is nothing but, I want to give you some 60-70 powerful cognitions. You are the consciousness, you cannot be killed. See, all the books Hinduism has 2 crore source books. All of you need to know. Hinduism has 2 crore source books. Hinduism has 2 crore source books. The whole 2 crore source book. And we have more than 1 crore temples. And almost billion followers. And at least I can say 10 million enlightened beings have lived on the planet Earth because of Hinduism. People who become enlightened because of Hinduism. And the chain is still alive, a living stream of Hinduism. Essence of all this is the 70 powerful cognitions. That's all. Once the 70 powerful cognition starts operating in you, you are the consciousness. These are all the side effects of the remaining. Listen carefully. When you understand you are the consciousness and you declare that as your powerful cognition. Hey, I am the consciousness. So, my ups, downs, mood swings, ideas, identities, which comes and goes, none of this can be my real cognition. As a side effect, many of the disturbed, screwed up software stops working. Means they all get slowly deleted. The whole Hinduism or the spiritual science in the world is this only. 60 to 70 roughly powerful cognitions should manifest in you as powers, not just intellectually. If you just get intellectually, you will never believe. It is like a working on the mind. Working on the mind is equivalent to trying to change your spouse. Try. Working on the mind is waste of time. I am telling you. If you have been working on mind, or gurus who are teaching you to work on your mind and you are doing that, please be informed, you will end up only in frustration. I have seen enough of fellows working on mind. I have seen enough of fellows working on the mind. It's a failure. Be very clear. Because mind is non-existent screenplay of the hormones and chemicals in the body. Understand, when Buddha says nothing exists, he talks about mind only, not about the consciousness. One young brahmachari goes to a very senior 90-year-old monk and asks, "Oh Swami, how long it takes to control the mind?" He says, "I do not know how long, but till 90 it doesn't happen." I am telling you, if you are working on Vedanta, if you are working on mind, that is what is the truth. See, Hinduism has only two traditions. Only two traditions. One works on consciousness, another one works on body. That's all. We never worked on mind because we know from the beginning it doesn't exist. Work on biology. Allow the superconsciousness to give a breakthrough. People ask me many times, "Oh Swamiji, in other ashrams, in other organizations, in other systems, we work for 5 years, 6 years to have a small experience. How come we are manifesting powers here? Is it all magic or is it really real? If you are working in the wrong direction, why will you not waste your life?" All working on mind is working on wrong direction. It's like you can go to Bangalore this way or this way. If you go this way, you will come after 25 years, rounding the whole earth. If you go this way, you will come in 25 minutes. That's all. Working on the mind is going this way. Working on the body is the real thing. Now, even when I give you powerful cognitions, I am not working on your mind. I am working on your consciousness. I am educating your consciousness. That's the right word. I am just making you ferocious, making you understand the mind is the chain. One beautiful thing, if you start tasting freedom of one powerful cognition in reality, like a few powers, suddenly the taste for that powers makes you ferocious and you start breaking the patterns. You even start forgetting you had addictions. Sometimes not only you walk out of addictions, you forget you had addictions. You had those problems. So the whole gist is again and again inserting powerful cognitions. Even while you are dealing in your day-to-day life, before dealing it, insert a powerful cognition. I am consciousness. I have a superiority over everything exists around me. Everything exists around me is my decision. It is not arrogance. Please understand, it's not arrogance. It's not arrogance. Insert that software and bring oneness. And I am giving you this consciousness, this cognition. If you do something right or wrong and all that, I am responsible, don't worry. You just go ahead. I am responsible. Start rolling your inner space with powerful cognitions. Once the power manifestation becomes like a lifestyle, like a flow of your very being, the kind of an inner image you will start cherishing, you will actually bless yourself. You will feel so happy to live in your body. You will feel so happy to live with you. You will feel so blessed to be who you are. End of the day, that is the result I wanted. Not just, see, all these are great, no doubt. But end result is that only. You feeling blessed with yourself. It's powerful cognitions, that's the result. Power manifestation is a side effect. Power manifestation is a side effect of powerful cognitions. That's all is the essence of the whole program. The essence of what I am doing, I have spoken.